Sammy, go squirt him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Okay, ready? Let's go. No, you gotta go get him. Yeah, pretend you don't see him, Cody. Oh, no you don't. You better go get him. No squirting, Mommy. Okay.
It's so wet.
He's out of water.
I'll
fill it up. He's shaking, do you see him?
Go get Cody. Go over there.
Didn't know that would work.
Now let him squirt you.
I will when it's filled up.
Cold.
Cold?
Cold.
Hey, come here. Hey, you.
Say please, Sam. He does not trust you at all. Squirt him.
Look, I don't have anything.
Go get him. Go get him. Squirt him good. Squirt him. Squirt him, Sammy. Hurry.
Hey. Hey. You got enough film, we need to bring him.